Welcome to this tutorial on how to add numbers in Google Sheets. Adding numbers is a fundamental operation in spreadsheet software, and Google Sheets makes it easy. To perform this task, to start, open your Google Sheets document and select the cell where you want to display the sum of the numbers. Next, type the equals sign to begin the formula, followed by the word sum, and then open parenthesis. Now, select the range of cells that contains the numbers you want to add. For example, if you want to add the numbers in cells A1 through A5, select those cells. Close the parenthesis to complete the formula and press Enter. Google Sheets will automatically calculate the sum of the numbers in the selected range and display the result in the cell where you entered the formula. You can also use the AutoSum feature to add numbers quickly. To use AutoSum, select the cell below the range of numbers you want to add. Go to the Formulas tab and click on AutoSum. Then, select the sum option and Google Sheets will automatically enter the formula and calculate the sum. Another way to add numbers is to use the plus sign. For example, if you want to add the numbers in cells A1 and A2, you can type equals A1 plus A2 and press Enter. Google Sheets will calculate the sum and display the result. Best practices for adding numbers in Google Sheets include using the sum formula for multiple cells and using the plus sign for simple additions. It is also a good idea to double-check your formulas to ensure accuracy. By following these steps and tips, you can easily add numbers in Google Sheets and make the most out of this powerful spreadsheet software. With practice, you will become proficient in using Google Sheets to perform various calculations and data analysis tasks.